So today is gonna be this really personal family day, and I'm not gonna show everything about my family and my kids and my wife and so on, but I will take you with me on some of these things we are doing today because it's a nice time together. So today the vlog is gonna be more on the cinematic side, and if that's not what you like, wait until tomorrow. It's gonna be back to normal. And it's Friday, and it's raining. Rochester.